In this video, we'll take a look at an application of a quadratic equation from the geometry world, and the problem states a circular oil slick near the coast of Cape Town was estimated to be about 20 square kilometers in area. How wide is the oil slick? So we're talking about a circular oil slick, and they're asking us how wide. In other words, what's the diameter? The one piece of information that will help us solve for the diameter is stated here in the problem, that the area of the circle is 20 square kilometers. The area formula for a circle is found by taking pi times the diameter squared divided by 4. The area is 20, so we'll replace a with 20, and pi, an estimated value, 3.14. To solve for our variable, which is squared, making it a quadratic equation, will be to multiply both sides by 4. 4 times 20 gives us 80 on the left, and multiplying by 4 on the right cancels out the denominator 4. To isolate the variable, we'll divide both sides by 3.14, which gives us the following, and then using the principle of square roots, we'll take the square root of both sides. Normally, when we do take the square root of both sides, we would say plus or minus the square root of that number, but because we're after a length, we would only accept the positive, which is shown here. So rejecting the negative 5.05, we would report that the diameter of this oil slick is 5.05 kilometers in length.